Hey, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. So I made another kind of an Asian style recipe. Again, another potluck dish. It's more of a kind of a remake of a coleslaw. I'm not a huge coleslaw fan because I don't like the creaminess of it. So this is using the cabbage and some onions. And then instead of, a mayonnaise base, I went ahead and used sesame oil and some soy sauce. Some other things and put some peanuts on top, and it's actually really tasty. So check out the video and let me know what you think.